Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can reduce data usage on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to click on battery and device care, and it's over here. Just tap on it. And since we want to reduce data usage, we can click on Ultra Data Saving Mode to activate it. Alright, and we can activate the Ultra Data Saving Mode to reduce our data usage on Android phone, and we can click on this toggle button to activate it. Alright, after that, just click on Turn On right here. Okay, and now the Ultra Data Saving Mode has been activated, and actually there is another way to activate the data saving mode. We can swipe down our screen to go to notification panel, and we can slide our screen until we find this option, Ultra Data Saving Mode, and we just have to click on it to activate the Ultra Data Saving Mode. Okay guys, and that's how we can reduce data usage on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.